Welcome to the user demo video for the Algorithm Cryptographic Audit Engine. Today, we will be testing the validity of some cryptographic parameters that we have. First, let's test this MLDSA parameter set by putting it into this body.json file. Next, let's take note of the relevant API endpoint. Start the API service. Then, in a separate terminal, formulate the curl command using the API endpoint chosen earlier, and include the body.json file. Now, press enter, and as you can see, verification has passed and the signature is valid. Next, let's test an AES-GCM parameter set. Place the required parameters into the body.json as shown. On a separate terminal, form the curl command with the relevant API endpoint and the body.json file. Press enter, and as you can see, the verification passed and the decrypted plaintext output is displayed. For users who want to validate their known plaintexts along with the rest of the parameters, they can add a plaintext field to the JSON request. The service will validate this input against the decrypted output during testing. Send the same command, and as you can see, the plaintext is a match. Finally, let's take a look at the tamper cases. What happens when the ciphertext, for example, has been tampered with? As expected, due to the modification of the ciphertext, the verification fails with an error message.